Welcome back to the channel. Mike Noward here, and today I'm talking about bucket capacities. We get this question every single day. What's the biggest bucket that I can put on my excavator? And honestly, it's the wrong question to ask. Here's why. Most operators think bigger is always better. But here's what happens when you oversize your bucket. You can stress out your boom, reduce your machine's lifespan, and actually hurt your productivity by slowing down your cycle times. I've seen contractors cost themselves thousands in repairs by making this mistake. What's the solution? We want you to match the bucket to your application. The right question is, what bucket matches my application? Below, we're going to give you a simple matching guide to help you out. Here's some factors that might drive down what you can put on your machine. First and foremost, the application. If you're in rock, hard clay, frozen ground, heavily compacted aggregate, or demolition, you're going to have to go with a smaller bucket. If the material you're working in is more dense or heavier per cubic yard, it's going to drive you down. If you have an abrasive material which requires a heavier duty design, you may have a longer stick length if you have a coupler on your machine. If your operator isn't experienced, if the position of the machine that you're going to be working in is operating in a way that's going to make it more difficult. Here are some factors that would allow you to go bigger than standard for your application. First and foremost, if it's lighter, if you're doing mass excavation, if you're loading or stockpiling, digging in soft and loose soils, or doing finish work. If you're working in lighter, less dense materials. If you can go with a lighter duty bucket, allowing for greater capacity. If you have a short stick designed for mass excavation. If you're directly pinned to your machine. If you have a highly experienced operator. If going larger will allow you to reduce your total cycles to fill a truck, which offsets the longer cycle times of a heavier, higher capacity bucket. The rule of thumb is dense, tough, and precise work is going to give you a smaller bucket capacity. If you have light, loose, and bulk material, it's going to allow for a bigger, larger capacity bucket. At WorkBrow, we work directly with the dealers and the end users to find the perfect match. Because the truth is, the right bucket isn't about maximum capacity, it's about your maximum efficiency. Before you buy your next bucket, give us a call. We'll help you choose the right one for your application. We don't want to pick just the biggest one that fits. Check the link below for our complete guide to selecting buckets.